Today, I'll show you how to log in to GitHub Enterprise. GitHub Enterprise is used by companies and organizations to manage private code, teams, repositories, and development workflows. Your login process may be slightly different depending on whether your organization uses GitHub Enterprise Cloud or a self-hosted GitHub Enterprise server. First, open your browser. If your company uses GitHub Enterprise Cloud, go to GitHub and sign in with your normal GitHub account. If your company uses GitHub Enterprise Server, your organization will usually give you a custom web address. It may look something like http://github.companyname.com. Enter that address in your browser. Now you should see the GitHub Enterprise login page. Enter your username or email address. Then enter your password. Click Sign In. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to your company login page. For example, this could be Microsoft, Okta, Google Workspace, or another identity provider. Enter your company email and password, then complete any security verification, such as a two-factor authentication code, mobile approval, or security key. After authentication, you will be redirected back to GitHub Enterprise. Now you should see your organization dashboard, repositories, teams, issues, pull requests, and projects, depending on your permissions. If you cannot log in, first check that you are using the correct enterprise URL. Next, make sure your company account is active and that you have been added to the GitHub organization. If your password does not work, use the password reset option or contact your company administrator. If single sign-on fails, try signing in again from your company identity provider. And that's it. You've successfully logged into GitHub Enterprise. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.